Welcome back, guys. Today's look is a very simple zipper face tutorial. As you can see, I started off by cutting off the excess fabric on the zipper. And as you can also see, I already have my foundation on as well as my eyebrows. So I'm just going to go ahead and add some of Tarte Shade Tape Concealer in the shade Deep Honey. And then I also went ahead and set it with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade Medium. Moving forward, I went ahead and applied some of Kiss's Strip Lash Adhesive to the back end of the zipper, and I pressed it against my face. But as you can see, it gave me a bit of a hard time doing it that way. And I'm guessing it's because I didn't apply enough adhesive. So I went ahead and ended up having to apply the glue to my face and then pressing the zipper down to my face. Once the zipper felt nice and secure, I went ahead and moved forward with applying 2 different shades of green from the Juvia's Place Zulu palette and 1 shade of green from the Masquerade palette onto my lid. And from the Zulu palette, I also went ahead and used the only brown shade that's in the palette as my transitional shade. And as you can see, I kind of applied that green eyeshadow onto my lid a little loosely and freely. So the brown transition shade did really well in toning down all the green that was previously applied. And then to finish off the lid, I topped it with a glitter gel that I got from a $5 kit I purchased from Dollar General. The kit is called a Deluxe Family Makeup Kit. It came with all types of face paints, fake blood, glitter gel, and everything. So the glitter gel, I went ahead and I applied it onto my lid, allowed it to dry, and went back a few times using that same method, applying it to let it dry. I think I did it about 5 times before I actually got the desired look. From that exact same kit, I went ahead and used the green grease paint to fill in the inner part of the zipper to create the quote-unquote inner me look. I went over the paint twice with a throwaway sponge, making sure to get as close to under the zipper as possible without actually lifting the zipper or moving it or even touching the zipper. Make sure that you take your time here, because once you get your paint or makeup on the zipper, you probably have to start over to clean the zipper off or even purchase a whole nother zipper. So the grease makeup could be a little, how can I put this, greasy? So I went back over it with a green from the Zulu palette, and I used it like kind of as a setting powder. Now for the fun part. I got about 5 packs of these green gems from Michaels, which came out to be really cheap after using an online coupon. And I went ahead and just applied them to my face with my fingers at first, and then I went back with a brush and kind of used the brush to scoop up the gems and place them directly on the spots that I was wanting to place them on. I took a quick break and applied a black pencil liner to my lower lash line because I felt like I was looking a little dead, and I was like, you know what, let me just put this liner on real quick, get that out of the way. But yeah, I decided to concentrate most of the bigger gems towards the neck and the bottom half of my face, while placing the medium and smaller ones all over my nose, my lips, my chin, in no particular order. This packet of gems came with 3 different shades. There was like a deeper green, a lighter green, and like a medium green. And there were like, I think, 3 different sizes. A tiny one, a medium sized one, and then a bigger one. But I was really over it though. Look at her. Look at her. She cute. Anyways, once that was done, I decided to apply some of that green paint onto my hand to kind of give it, you know, a realistic look for photos. I don't know what just happened there, but I think my son was playing around the area and shook the camera. But anyways, I applied blush in some of my highlight. The highlight was from the Black Radiance palette. Then I also went ahead and applied some contour, which I think really brought out the whole look. I put that in the areas where my cheek was, and then I also put it in the area of my neck around the actual green gems to kind of deepen that V look. And here's the part where I enjoy and try to become a model or whatnot. Yes, that slow look down. Look at that girl. Girl, okay. We see you, sis. We see you. Look at that skin. Flawless. Yes. I was playing with the zipper here, but low-key I was like, this thing better not fall off my face. I am happy with this look. It's cute or whatever. She cute. Guys, this was actually very fun to do. Very quick, very easy. You need to be patient in order to do this. If not, then it's gonna drive you crazy. I was having some of the gems fall off while I was doing it. It's actually, it doesn't feel uncomfortable, except for the fact that this makes a whole bunch of noise. Besides that, this is very comfortable. It doesn't itch. I actually didn't use any glue on the gems on my face, and that's probably another reason as to why they were falling off. But besides that, this was quick, this was easy, and it was fun. Yeah, I think this is actually, I didn't think it was gonna turn out so cute. You can add more gems if you want. I just didn't have time for that. I had a whole nother pack left over, and look, this was it for me. I'm done. Okay, but anyway, you guys try it out. Tag me in all your photos if you have on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat even. And let me know how it worked out for you. See you next time here at the coast. Ooh.
All right, I thought you were taking pictures.
Okay, hold on.
There's no makeup on my iPad, right?
No. No. All right, let's go. Take pictures.